Guys, today I'm with Basra. We are going down to Safir first to get some cat food for the cats down, and we're gonna see them, and hopefully they will be cute and crunchy to eat. Okay, so here we walk. I love singing. Oh, guys, and tell me in the comments below which one is your favorite singer. Look at that garbage. we have all around garbage, and oh my god, where she's so cute then. What you are doing? Hi, say cheese. She's up the car. Look at her. Okay, we are walking. It's so dark. We are going to Safir. It is over there. It's so close to our house. This is our house and there's Safir. Only we go by walking. And it's so dark because it's like midnight or something. Okay, let's go then. Okay, there we go. It's so colorful. It's going so fast. Look at that beauty. It's so cool. Like, wow. It's like an old thing and so beautiful thing. It's like crazy, right, guys? Yes. They are heading to Safir. Open. Here is some cat food. Oh, cats. Cat. And here is dogs. And every kind of animals are here. Which one do we pick? Guys, do this it's good for cats or no? They are treats. I want some sweets, not cat food. Oh, there. It is sweets, right? It's like 5.90. I don't know. Okay, so that's so cool. It's cheese flavored. What's the other one? Oh, it's chicken, so we get chicken. They like chicken more. Can we get this, Masra? It's a sweet. Okay? Okay, so she said okay, we're gonna go buy it. Oh, guys, do you like the cats like dogs or chicken? Comments down below, please. We're gonna go buy it. Okay, so guys, I buy also frozen Kinder egg. Show them. Here's the cat sweets. We have some milk too. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, here's the Kinder Frozen. We're gonna open it when we see the cat. Run! Quickly! Quick, the street! Here's the car. Guys, quickly comment down below now if you guess that the cat that we see up from in the car is still in the car or it's gone. Comment down below. I think it's still. Let's see. My gosh, guys, the car just left and look at where she is right now. She's on the back. Oh, she's going. Where's she going? Don't go. We will not do anything. You see that white? That's her. Oh, there's still. Oh my gosh. Now we're going to the kitty cats. There's so much garbage. I mean, guys, come on. Look at our garbage in our house. Actually, it's out of our house, not our house. Okay, we are here in the kitty cat's place. Let's see where they are. There is a kitty over there. Can you see her? Let's walk more for it. They live here, I know. That now you show that her, she's their mom. Oh, there's one there. Oh, there they are. Oh, they're running. Let's see this. She's running. You see her, guys? Where you are? Okay, so let's give them the sweets, Masra. Okay, see, here's the kitty cat. Oh, there's two. Okay, wait. She's already purring. She knows that we will give her food. We always give her food, guys. Come here, it's your treats. It's your treats. Oh. Come on. sorry. Masra, let them to eat. Oh my gosh. There's so many kitties. And come on. What do you want from us? We have food, don't worry. We have. Give her Masra on the ground. Put it in the ground. Wait. Wait a little bit, please. They're so busy eating. Why? But Masra, put some food. We're gonna get it. Okay, just wait. Can I touch you? Oh, she's so soft. Oh, this one comes. Come on, eat. They're scared from you. But it's here, right here. Come on. Ha! Where she's going? She's going to us. Meow. There we go. There. She's eating the plastic. Come on. Masra, can you move? This is too scary. They're so scared. They're so cute. Come on. He's over there. She scared the hell of Masra out. One is eating some sweets and they're here in front of us. Say hi to the camera. Oh, she now came. Where she runs. Come on from me. Why? This plastic thing. Hey, can we get this? Okay, we get it. I want to touch you. You're so soft. Oh, why is she caring of me? Put some Masra food.
Even if you...
They're like cracking sounds. Hey.
Because they're hungry. No one gives them food really much. Too much.
Yeah.
And I can't give them, I don't have cat food. Sometimes I give them milk.
Oh, the milk! You remind us of the milk. Thank you. Masra, the milk. Some milk. You're gonna fall down the milk, kitty. Mr. Kitty. The milk over here. Mr. Oh, she won that. You scared her. Come on, drink the milk. They're so hungry, they just want food. Oh. Stop scaring of me. They're both scary girls. The mom, she doesn't scare at all. She know me. Actually, guys, you know this. I know them from I was KG2 or KG1. I know them from very last week. I let them to grow up like this. I swear to you guys. Where are you going? Where? Come here. Complete your food. Why are they so scary? Why nobody in the food? Go to the food.
Still then they will come.
They're all coming. Come on to the num food. Oh, this one, the previous one. Oh, she's not. Just take it. Take it. Drink milk. Come on. Oh, she's mom. She don't like milk. Come on, you baby too. Come on. Hey. Eat some food.
Sometimes but do not take a stick.
Come on, eat the sweets.
Sometimes just take a stick from home. Hey, I live somewhere else before them. And they also...
Kitties fight. Oh, there's white one came from there.
Of course there are. They're not big. They are
Oh,
all
she's
big
enjoying with
family.
them.
There is a big family.
Yeah,
also.
there's so much family. You are
White
right.
and also black.
Yeah, there's a black one. I don't know what she has.
I don't know where are the others. And then you also have full black one with these. Full
Yeah.
black.
Yeah.
And these are the black and white. They're kind of brown shape.
Yeah. They're all eating kitty cat's food. No, they were scared. This is my friend over there. He's our neighbor. Come on. Eat some milk. Don't scare them. They scared quickly. Oh, she's playing with the stick. Where you are go? Now you are disturbing her. Poor little kitties, don't do that. See, there's spikes on it.
Oh yeah, I think you're right. There aren't they're too sharp.
Come on, don't scare of me. Give me the food. Finish.
Yeah.
What? They ate it all? Take. She ate the tweets. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. That is the cat tweets time. And bye. I love you.